Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Next.js to the latest version safely step by step clearly. Begin by checking your current Next.js version. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm list next to see the installed version. Next, visit the official Next.js GitHub repository. Check the release notes for the latest version. Make note of any significant breaking changes since your current version. Before proceeding, ensure your project is backed up. Now, update your package.json file. Change the version number of Next.js to the latest version. If you're using Yarn, run yarn upgrade next to update. For npm users, execute npm install next at latest to install the latest version. Next, verify if any other dependencies need updating. Run npm outdated or yarn outdated to check for outdated packages. Update any necessary packages that may impact compatibility. After updating, review the documentation for any new features. After making the updates, run your application locally. Use the command npm run dev or yarn dev to start your development server. Test your application thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Pay attention to any console warnings or errors. If you encounter issues, consult the migration guide provided by Next.js. Address any breaking changes in your codebase as necessary. Once everything is functioning properly, commit your changes. Push your updates to your version control system. Congratulations on successfully updating Next.js to the latest version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.